Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'll be filming an eye look. I'm not sure what I want to do, but I do know I have this glitter right here that I mixed when I was doing a contest for school. I want to use the remainder of that. So I'm going to try to create a look to where I can use this glitter right here. So if you want to see how it turns out, keep on watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me on the gram and on Facebook, and I'll have it linked at the bottom. So yeah, let's jump into it. Oh, and I also forgot to mention happy Saturday to everybody. And the weather is finally breaking. Where I am located, it's like 35 degrees outside, so that is a nice change since the negative ones and twos. So I'm going to prime my eyes with the P. Louise base, and then we're going to figure out what color I'm going to use. Hey loves, I'm back with another voiceover. In that shade, I am using that as a transition shade to cover over the P. Louise base so that I can have a smooth transition. Next, I'm going to be going in with that pink shade. Just a heads up with that Morphe palette, if you do plan on purchasing it, keep in mind, I just want to let you guys know that the pigmentation on that palette is not that good at all. So basically on this part, I'm just adding that color in my crease, and then I'm spreading it through basically the top of the lid to cover up the brown so I can have like a smooth transition. Next, I'm going in with this brown. I'm going to pack the color on and then blend it. Then after that, I'm going in with that dark brown, and then I'm going to also pack it and then blend it, and then probably cut my crease. Next, I'm going to show you guys the palette that I'm using. I wanted to show you guys the brand and whatnot because I didn't do that in the beginning. So here it is. So my silly self forgot to press the record button while I was cutting my crease. As you can see, it's already cut and there's no video of me showing it, but I'm sorry y'all. So on here, I'm basically blending the eyeshadow before I even lay down the glitter. I learned that by watching a couple of YouTube gurus. And once I did that, I saw that the eyeshadow and the glitter blended very well together with doing that first. Next, I'm going to go in with the NYX glitter primer to lay down my glitter. And as you can see, my silly butt again didn't film it, but I will make sure it's on this next clip. Okay, so this is the clip that I'm talking about. I'm just adding on that glitter, and I'm also fixing any of the edges that that looks kind of crooked. I just bit my damn tongue, but yeah, y'all catch the drift. Okay, y'all, so sorry for this voiceover, but man, I have to say this. I would apologize beforehand for having my mouth open. That is so irritating to watch when I watch my video and I got my damn mouth open looking retarded, or y'all understand. And ladies, I also want to give you guys a quick tip. When you do the loose glitter, take a little bit by little bit and just gently pat it on. When you do that, it will be less fallout. It will take a little bit longer, but it's less of a mess. Next, I'm going in with that dark shade and I'm blending out the edges, and it blends so much better with me doing this new step. Next, I'm going in with that e.l.f. eyeliner, and I'm going to give you some details on that eyeliner. It is so bomb. Okay guys, so I gotta tell you about this eyeliner, e.l.f. I cannot believe how good it is. I've been searching for affordable liquid eyeliner for a minute now. I tried Rimmel London, I tried Revlon, I tried Ruby Kisses, and I tried Kiss, and I also tried NK Makeup, and I never thought to try e.l.f. This is bomb. Look at it. All right, let's finish. Hey love, so this is the final look. I forgot to do an outro. So yeah, here it is. I hope you guys like it. And also if you want to see this wig, it's on my channel. Bye.